the mantis shrimp, nature's fastest punch. Today, we're going to dive into the ocean and meet one of the most astonishing creatures on the planet, the mantis shrimp. It may be small, but this tiny ocean warrior has some of the most incredible abilities of any animal on Earth. And when I say incredible, I mean mind-blowing. You may think of shrimp as harmless little creatures that scuttle along the ocean floor, but the mantis shrimp is no ordinary shrimp. It has a punch so powerful and fast, it defies the laws of physics. At first glance, the mantis shrimp might look like a simple crustacean, no bigger than a typical shrimp you might find in a grocery store. But this is no ordinary shrimp. The mantis shrimp is capable of incredible feats that will make you rethink what you know about the animal kingdom. The mantis shrimp is capable of a strike that moves at a speed of 50 miles per hour. That's faster than a bullet train. Think about that for a second. This is a tiny creature capable of moving its limbs at a speed faster than most of the vehicles humans have ever created. This punch is so fast that it moves quicker than the human eye can follow. And while it may seem like something out of a science fiction movie, it's all real, and it happens every single day in oceans all around the world. But what makes the mantis shrimp's punch so powerful? The answer lies in its spring-loaded hammer claws. These claws are not just regular appendages. They act like a crossbow. The mantis shrimp can store up energy in its claws, and when it's time to strike, it releases its stored energy in the blink of an eye. This sudden release is what generates the force that makes its punch so powerful. The mantis shrimp strike is so fast that it doesn't just deliver a blow, it causes a tiny explosion underwater. This phenomenon is known as cavitation, and it occurs when a mantis shrimp's punch creates bubbles in the water that collapse so violently that they generate intense heat. In fact, the heat produced is hotter than the surface of the sun, around 8,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than a flame from a blowtorch. But wait, there's more. Not only is the punch itself extremely powerful, but it's also incredibly strong. The mantis shrimp's punch can deliver an impact equivalent to a 5-pound hammer striking its target at 50 miles per hour. This force is so intense that it can easily crack open the hard shells of snails, clams, and crabs. In fact, the mantis shrimp is capable of breaking through glass. Aquariums and researchers who study mantis shrimp have often found that their punches are so strong, they can even crack aquarium glass. This makes them one of the most powerful animals in the world, despite their small size. The mantis shrimp strike is so powerful that it can even injure humans. While they're not typically dangerous to us, if a human were to be struck by a mantis shrimp, it could result in serious injury. This is because the mantis shrimp's punch delivers a force that can easily break bones. So, even though this tiny creature looks harmless, it packs a punch that's capable of seriously injuring someone who gets in its way. But what's even more fascinating than its punch is the fact that the mantis shrimp uses this amazing ability not just for self-defense, but also for hunting. This creature relies on its punch to crack open the shells of its prey, things like snails, clams, and other hard-shell creatures. It's like a biological wrecking ball. The shrimp will strike its prey with lightning speed, breaking through the shell with ease, and then it can enjoy a delicious meal. But how does the mantis shrimp avoid hurting itself with such a powerful strike? It's all thanks to its strong exoskeleton. The mantis shrimp is built with incredibly tough armor that helps protect its body from the powerful forces it generates when it strikes. This strong exoskeleton helps to ensure that the shrimp doesn't break its own limbs, which is an important adaptation for survival in such a dangerous world. In addition to its impressive punch, the mantis shrimp also has another surprising ability: its eyes. The mantis shrimp has the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom. It's believed that they can see up to 12 color channels, which is more than any other known creature. Most animals have 3 color receptors, while humans only have 3, red, green, and blue. But the mantis shrimp has 12, including the ability to see ultraviolet and polarized light. This means a mantis shrimp has a much more detailed and complex vision than any human could ever imagine. This supervision allows the mantis shrimp to navigate its environment with incredible precision, detect food and predators, and even communicate with other mantis shrimp. The mantis shrimp can see polarized light, which means they can detect the angles at which light is refracted, allowing them to see the world in a way that's completely beyond human comprehension. They can see the subtle changes in their environment that we can't even begin to detect. While we may think of the mantis shrimp as a small creature in a big ocean, it is, in fact, a tiny but mighty predator. Its powerful punch and unique vision make it one of the most remarkable animals in the world. Despite its size, the mantis shrimp has earned a reputation as one of the ocean's fiercest warriors. Its punch is so powerful they can smash through crab armor and even glass, and its eyes can detect a wider spectrum of colors and light than humans could ever imagine. Now, let's take a step back and think about the incredible design and evolution of the mantis shrimp. Over millions of years, it has evolved the ability to deliver a strike with unparalleled speed and force. It has perfected its hunting technique, using its powerful claws to break open the hard shells of its prey. Its complex eyes help it navigate the underwater world with incredible precision. All of these traits come together to make the mantis shrimp one of the most specialized creatures in the animal kingdom. So, next time you think about the ocean, remember the mantis shrimp. It may be small, but it is one of nature's greatest marvels. The punch of this tiny creature is so fast and powerful that it seems almost impossible. But it's real, and it's one of the most incredible examples of nature's power and innovation. If you're fascinated by the mantis shrimp and want to learn more about the wonders of nature, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing animal facts. We'll see you next time with even more incredible creatures from the wild.